Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, before I start, I just want to say that the reason I've been posting so many videos is because a lot of the videos I have posted have been very long awaited, and I have plans for the channel, such as making it big, becoming known, and I really want to get 10K, hopefully by the end of next year, hopefully. And anyways, so what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna be playing this game called Mischief because one of my someone that's someone that knows me personally, let's say it's my friend's brother, actually asked me to play it. So after I play, I'll come back and compare it to this game, whether I would say it's good or if I don't really like it. And there's so many of these, and if this video maybe gets like 8 likes, I will do more fan games, and I will rate them based on how good they are. So I'm gonna do a weird transition into the game. You can probably already see it right there. I can't see it. It's funny because it's still green for me. And let's go. Okay. So this is Mischief. Ooh, I don't like the sound effects with them. And it's kind of a weird way of making a type of Gorilla Tag ripoff. A lot of slides. I'm gonna go down that one. Hold on, let's go. Oh, what is this? Lightsabers? What? Why are there lightsabers in this game? Why can't I pick this one up? There we go. That's weird. Okay. Oh, that sucked. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure there's a horror game mode. Actually, I want to see this. Hold on. Horror. And, we're gonna leave. And then we're just gonna rejoin. Oh, what the? Whoa, I don't like this. Hey, hold on, let me turn off sound effects, make it spoopy. I kinda like the noise of that. Oh, what is that? What was that? Oh, I want to get a better look. Oh! Where am I? Go up here. I feel safe. Dude, I don't know where I am. Where am I at? Dude, I have no idea where I am. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Roger, roger. I don't like that. What is that? Bro. You are not scary. It's really just because they're red that it kind of makes you think. Yeah, you suck. You can't even get me. So y'all suck. Where am I? Oh, I'm back here. Run. Oh! That wasn't even that scary. Hold on, turn this crap off. Okay, we're gonna do this lava. Oh no, this is some kind of weird. This is some kind of joke. Uh-oh. It's already rising. I don't like this. Uh-oh. I can't get any taller than this. Stop rising. Shoot. Okay. Dude, if this one have spawned here, I'd be dead right now. Monkeys.
Ah,
You are so short.
you said the labor saver.
Give me that.
I
Give
said
me
like
that.
I didn't even. It was on the ground over there, and I just found it and I just took it. Oh, bye. Okay, you just flew up. He said the labor saver, bro. Labor
Are you
saver.
good?
You mean
Well, I need to find something green. But only green, not all these colors. Because I'm gonna do another weird transition back home.
I don't want to play home.
I think that works. Okay.
I don't want anything. Got your lightsaber. Got your lightsaber. Give me it.
Okay. I don't know if you can see it because I don't even know if this edit's gonna work. It might just be a dumb transition. But if it does work, I'll see you guys back home. Oh, okay. So, honestly, that game isn't that bad. It's not nearly as bad as I thought it'd be. Because I honestly thought that it wouldn't really be that good since it was just like a fan game. Like, a lot of the other fan games aren't really that good. Like Dog Park. Like, what even is that? Like, clearly, like, I don't know. People do put effort into these. And that one probably has the best effort. I know that a bunch of kids made it, which is really cool because that just goes to show that you can really do anything you want if you really put your mind to it. So, yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you would like to see me do anything else like this, just give me a few likes. It doesn't even take, like, it takes half a second pretty much. If you want to get notified when I post stuff like this, you could subscribe, hit the bell. If you ever want to get to do something with me, like Breezy Kid got to do, then all I have to do is join my Discord, say what's up, and if I end up ever want to do anything, I'll post it in the announcement page. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.